What's up, guys? In this video, I'll show you how to open two Roblox accounts on your PC at the same time. So, stick around until the end to see how it's done. First, on your Windows PC, click the Start menu and open the Microsoft Store. Search for the Roblox app and install it. Wait for the download and installation to finish, then launch the Roblox app on your PC and sign in with your account. Enter your username and password, then click the Sign In button. Once you're logged in, you can start playing any game on your PC. Now, to run a second Roblox account, open your Chrome browser and go to the website easyfun.gg. Scroll down and find the Roblox game. Click the Play Now button and wait for it to load. Next, click the Sign In button and enter the details for your second account. If you get the two-step verification prompt on your phone or tablet, just approve the request. And that's it. You're now signed in with your second account. Scroll down and choose the game you want to play. Now you can have two Roblox accounts open and running simultaneously on your PC. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.